all of, all of you are using internet daily in your daily life, okay? So what do you mean by cyber crime? You must have heard about the term cyber crime. What is cyber crime? One by one. Okay, yes. What do you mean by cyber crime?
Cyber crime means that to hack someone's computer.
And what do you mean by hacking?
Ma'am, to get the information, secret information.
Get the secret information. Okay. Anybody else? Yes, Akul?
Ma'am, accessing into someone's data illegally.
Illegally, unauthorized access to your data, your personal information. That is called cybercrime. Raghav, please wear your mask properly, everyone. So, first of all, what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is any criminal offense that is facilitated or involves the use of electronic communication media, yani electronic communications or information system, any electronic device, computer or internet. That means by using computer and by using internet, when some illegal involves the use of illegal electronic communication, that is called cybercrime. It is a general term that covers the crimes like phishing, credit card frauds, your credit card information, illegal downloading, when you download illegally some software from internet, industrial espionage, pornography, cyberbullying, cyberstalking, cyber terrorism, creation and distribution of virus and spam, and so on. All these terms come under the topic of cybercrime. Okay? Huh?
Illegal apps,
Illegal apps means the apps which are paid, but आप उनको crack करके download कर लेते हो. That is also a part of cybercrime. Okay? What are the various examples of cybercrime? One is email and internet fraud. Somebody steal your personal information like your email ID, create a fraud, fake ID in your name and post the illegal messages. Yes. Bank account details, credit card or ATM card details. Identity fraud, where personal information is stolen and used. Like you post some photograph on your Facebook. Somebody download that photograph, use it as your profile ID, take your name and create your IDs on some illegal websites or some wrong websites. That is called identity fraud. That means stealing your identity and using it some illegal in some unauthorized work. Then theft of the financial or card payment data. जैसे अभी राघव ने बताया, जैसे banking card details आपकी leak हो जाती हैं, you give your OTPs or you credit card information hack हो गई है, then you can be in problem. Next is theft and sale of corporate data, companies' data. Large companies, organizations, they are having their personal information, their company data, information regarding various acts or various work undergoing them. Then जो आपकी rival companies है, they can steal the data for the personal use. Cyber extortion. What is cyber extortion? Demanding money to prevent a threatened attack. That means somebody threatened you to attack your data and demand money to prevent that attack. If you do not pay the money, that your data can be destroyed. Okay? Then many common terms जो आजकल use हो रही है, that is ransomware. And these attacks are very common nowadays. A type of cyber extortion, ransomware. Ransom क्या होता है? फिरौती लेना. Yeah, if somebody kidnap any person and ask for the ransom, right? Ransomware in the data in the IT field is when somebody encrypt your data. आपका डाटा आपके सर्वर पे, आपके कंप्यूटर पे, but somebody encrypted it. You cannot read it, you cannot access it, and ask for the ransom to decrypt that data. That is called ransomware. Okay? When somebody lock your data or encrypt your data and ask for the money to decrypt it and release that data. That is called ransomware. Cryptojacking, where hackers mine a cryptocurrency using the resources they do not own. Cryptocurrency means that is one of the example of cryptocurrency. Okay, that is one of the example of cryptocurrency. That is a cryptocurrency means digital currency, which is used in place of the physical currency.
This is Bitcoin.
Bitcoin is one of the example of cryptocurrency, and other is Ethereum is also there. Pi currency. Okay. Cyber espionage, where hackers access the government or company data. Okay. All these are the various types of cyber crime. How you can prevent yourself from the cyber crime?
And two-factor authentication.
Huh? Two-factor authentication. What do you mean by two-factor authentication? Everyone, kindly switch on your cameras.
मैम by turning on मैम अगर कोई भी access करेगा तो हमें पहले मैसेज आएगा कि this user is trying to access in your account.
Okay.
हम जैसे हम Bluetooth में on करके रखो आजकल हम Bluetooth से hack हो जाता है।
बिल्कुल हो जाता है. There are many. I hope you are not using internet on this system. Cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? This is very common term used nowadays. Cyberbullying.
Bullying someone.
Bullying in general term, when we threaten or harass someone, right? Cyberbullying means when we are harassing someone on internet. Like cyberbullying occurs when someone uses an internet or a cell phone or email or instant messaging, chat rooms or social networking websites where your accounts are there, and such as Facebook or Twitter, to harass, demean, embarrass or intimidate someone else. If somebody is a victim of this cyberbullying, they can report that. बिल्कुल है cyberbullying. That means somebody is continuously following you, continuously sending you messages, wrong messages, illegal messages, or harassing you, bullying you on internet, following you continuously on internet, on every account, on every website where you are visiting. That is called cyberbullying. And one of the related term is cyber stalking. Cyber stalking means continuously following you. This is a kind of harassment wherein victim is subjected to a barrage of online messages and emails. That means somebody is continuously sending you messages. Okay? They collect all the personal information about the victim and post it on filthy, obscene or illegal website, posing as if the victim is posting this information. आपके नाम से किसी गलत वेबसाइट्स पे messages post कर रहे हैं, that means other people will think that you are posting these messages.
And to fake donations.
ठीक है, that means cyber stalking. Then some stalkers keep on sending the repeated emails asking for various kinds of threats, asking for various favor the threats of the victim. That means continuously आपको harass कर रहे हैं, repeated emails आ रही हैं, messages आ रहे हैं, फेसबुक पे आपके नाम से कुछ पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, ट्विटर पे आपके नाम पे कुछ पोस्ट हो रहा है, या सम इलीगल वेबसाइट्स पे आपके नेम से कुछ somebody is posting something. That is called cyber stalking. Stalker follow their victim from board to board. Board to board means wherever you are using the account, social networking website, they are also there. ठीक है, आपने जिस भी वेबसाइट पे अकाउंट बनाया, they follow you. They create their own account there to follow you. ठीक है, board to board. What do you mean by cyber safety? बोलो.
इसको हम फोन करके हम चेक करना, हम वो भी
Cyber safety means refers to the safe and responsible use of internet so that to ensure the safety and security of personal information and not posing threat to anyone else information. It's not compulsory कि आप लोग victim ही हो सकते हो, but you should also not try to do those kind of things because they are the punishable acts. They are the punishable crimes. Okay, if somebody reports about you and you are found the culprit of that crime, you can have they are the punishable crime. You can go to jail. You have to pay the fine. Okay, depending on the level of crime that you have done. Cyber safety means safe and responsible use of internet to ensure the security of your data and personal information. Okay. Identity fraud. What do you mean by identity fraud? Where personal details have been processed and stolen and are used to commit the fraudulent acts posing as someone else with the stolen identity. It is a type of crime that leads to the loss of personal data of individual. आपका personal information, your name, your educational information, whatever information, your photographs, your live locations, your live recordings, whatever you are posting on internet, that is on a public place. You must be very careful about posting your information at the public websites, because anybody can access it and use it. The personal data then can be used by the online thieves without your permission to commit frauds or crimes. Online phishing is a major cause of identity theft. Phishing means solution for identity theft. Wherever possible, try to use the private browsing. If you are using some personal public computer at a public place, you are using the public computer, always use the private browsing. Private browsing means incognito window सुना?
Yes.
That is your private browsing, in which your personal information is not shared with server. Whenever you open any website on your computer, your information is going to the server. Your IP address कौन assess कर रहा है, कौन सी device assess कर रही है information को, कहाँ assess कर रही है, क्या location है, every information passes to the server of that website. That means your website, all the websites track you daily on your search criteria. Whatever information you are searching, that website will keep the track. आपने कई बार देखा होगा, आपने गूगल पे कोई इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च करी किसी टॉपिक पे या किसी सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में, ठीक है, हिस्ट्री में नहीं, आप यूट्यूब पे जाते हो, आपको रिलेटेड एड्स आती हैं, आती है, सेम इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में एड्स आनी शुरू हो जाती है. हाउ? Because they had tracked your information, they had create the database of your जो interests हैं, and they जो ads होती हैं वो आपके पोस्ट करते हैं according to your interest. ठीक है, that means they are continuously tracking you, what you are doing on internet, every information you are searching on internet, they are keeping the database of that, कि आप कब कहाँ क्या search कर रहे हैं, they are keeping the database of that. ठीक है, to avoid that you can use the private browsing.
Yes.
ठीक है, VPN is a way of private browsing, correct. Incognito window, private browsing, 3 methods can be there. It is a private browsing that does not leave as many tracks. Tracks कम होते हैं. It can erase the temporary data on your PC and device you are using. It is used by entering sensitive data like banking details. जब आप banking details use कर रहे हो, always try to use in the private browsing. Because whenever you use some information is also stored in that computer also in the form of cookies. ठीक है, in the form of cookies. You do not change the settings of browser. ठीक है, आप browser की settings change नहीं करते हो कि आपकी cookies save हो या नहीं हो. ठीक है, आपकी cookies पर continuously save होती हैं according regarding the website that you are visiting. That means whenever you visit that same website or web page again, तो आपकी जो information है, instead of downloading from the web server, it will use the cookies to upload that information, to display that information again. So that is a quicker way to visit the same website, to open the same website or web page. But they keep the track also. So if you are using anybody else computer, किसी और के computer पे आके अपनी information use कर रहे हो या public computer पे use कर रहे हो, cookies are saved on that computer also. हाँ, because सब कुछ use होता था, सारा कुछ save हो जाता है. That is why try to use incognito browsing or proxy servers and VPN, virtual private network. Proxy servers means it is a server in between your computer, your browser or your device and the server, main server from where you are getting the information. It is a in-between server. हाँ, so every information passes through that proxy server to the main server. ठीक है, and that proxy server, what it will do? It will change your IP address, encrypt your personal information so that it cannot go to the main server. And whatever information main server का जो information है, personal information है, IP address है, that cannot reach you. ठीक है, that can also be encrypted. Okay, that is why proxy servers. Then is VPN, virtual private network. Virtual private network is a kind of software that can be used to add security and privacy to the public and private networks like Wi-Fi hotspots on internet. When you are using some public Wi-Fi hotspots, जैसे किसी रेलवे स्टेशन पे, एयरपोर्ट पे, hotels में, when you are using the public Wi-Fi hotspots, they are most dangerous because they are public. No passwords are there. Many people are using the same Wi-Fi hotspots, so your data can be easily tracked.
Yes, ma'am.
Your data can be easily hacked by the other people. Okay, so VPN is a virtual private network that can protect your data and personal information on those kind of networks. Yes.
इसका मतलब तो यही होना कि जब हम सर्च करेंगे हम वीडियो फोटो में हमारे सामने जो वीडियो आती है वो हमारी इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से आती है।
बिल्कुल आती है, बिल्कुल आती है। एंड माय मोर ओवर जो आपके गूगल के रिजल्ट्स होते हैं, दे आर आल्सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द कि जो ज्यादा लिंक क्लिक हुए होते हैं उन्हीं वो लिंक्स पहले ऊपर आते हैं, बाकी के लिंक्स उसके नीचे होते हैं। दिस डजंट मीन कि बाकी के लिंक्स में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, सिर्फ ये है कि जो लिंक्स ज्यादा यूज हो चुके हैं, यूजर्स यूज करते हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, दे लिंक्स आर अप ऑन द टॉप, दोज लिंक्स आर एट द टॉप। ओके, प्रॉपर यूसेज ऑफ पासवर्ड्स। पासवर्ड्स क्या होते हैं? टू प्रोटेक्ट योर इंफॉर्मेशन, टू प्रोटेक्ट योर यूजर नेम, दे आर लाइक कीज। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am. Server, ma'am. अगर
आप-
न्यू बनाओ, ma'am.
कोई भी अपने वेबसाइट पर अपना ईमेल आईडी बनाते हो, ठीक है, सर्वर गिव्स यू अ स्पेस ऑन दैट सर्वर, ठीक है, स्टोरेज स्पेस इज देयर वेयर योर ईमेल्स और वेयर योर पर्सनल डाटा इज स्टोर्ड, व्हाटएवर यू अपलोड, चाहे वो गूगल ड्राइव है या आपकी ईमेल्स है। लॉक टू दैट डाटा, की टू दैट स्पेस is your password, and this password should be very strong. How?
हम वो मैम कहते हैं suggest your strong password.
Passwords are an important form of protection for you online. You can create, you can enter into an online account only if you know the correct password for opening it. Creating a secure password is very important. Why? Because it keeps your data, personal information safe, protect your emails, files, and other contents, and prevent someone from breaking into your account.
Yes, ma'am.
फिर हैकर्स को कैसे पता लग जाता है हमारा पासवर्ड?
Because they are having the softwares, they do the phishing. Phishing means guessing your passwords. ठीक है, आपके पासवर्ड्स को क्रैक करना, that is called phishing. Choosing a good password.
हम उनको पता नहीं होता, guess कराते हैं.
Guess भी हो सकता है because most of the people uses the common words,
1, 2, 3.
names of your friends or relative, family members, date of birth. Usually we use that.
1 2 3 4
ठीक है, whatever they can guess your information related to your personal information, आपके personal information के base पे guess भी कर सकते हैं, and they may have the softwares to crack your passwords. Because softwares में क्या होता है, they create a combination of all the letters, numbers and symbols. ठीक है, and then they crack your passwords.
Yes, ma'am.
So choosing a good password, no dictionary words, no personal information should be there. Use longer passwords, that is a combination of upper letters, lower letters, and alpha symbols, numbers and symbols. Use passphrase to remember the complex password. Passphrase means combination of multiple words. It could be a phrase, it could be a sentence, okay, which is known only to you. That will be easy to remember, but difficult to guess by the hackers. Do not repeat the password on same password on different websites. Same password अलग-अलग websites पे, सारी websites पे same password use नहीं करो, because if somebody crack your one password, that will be available for all the websites. So all the websites. Hackers क्या कर सकते हैं? If they crack your email password, right? तो बाकी जगह पे जाके फॉरवर्ड पासवर्ड की ऑप्शन होती है, ठीक है, तो इफ यू यूज दैट फॉरवर्ड पासवर्ड, यानी आपके सारी वेबसाइट्स के पासवर्ड्स क्रैक हो गए. तो मेक योर पासवर्ड्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करनी है? यूज फायरवॉल वेयर एवर पॉसिबल. Firewall can be your hardware, can be your software, or can be a combination of both. Control browser settings to block the tracking. Browser की settings को check करो. Block the cookies, block the ads, spams. जो by default आपके temporary files होती हैं आपके कंप्यूटर में that store the information regarding your browsing. क्या ब्राउज कर रहे हो, क्या सर्च कर रहे हो, कौन सी वेबसाइट्स ओपन कर रहे हो, all that information is stored on those cookies. Then browse privately wherever possible. Be careful while posting on internet. Do not post your personal information. But if you are even then posting, check the settings of that website कि कौन से लोग उनको देख रहे हैं, who is watching your personal information, whether they are available only to your friends, whether they are available for public. Ensure safe sites web entering the crucial information. Before entering the banking details, ensure कर लो कि yes, you are using the correct website. Carefully handle emails. Do not open the emails from unknown sources. Never download any information or any file from unknown email. Never. They can place some spyware on your computer. They can place virus on your computer by downloading that information. Do not give sensitive information on wireless network. Wireless network means public Wi-Fi hotspots. जब आप use कर रहे हो, never share your sensitive information. Avoid using public computers. Okay. All these things can be used to protect your data. Okay, anybody else who wants to say something regarding this topic?
अगर हम फोन में हम unwanted apps होते हैं, मतलब हम फोन हैक कर,
हाँ, unwanted app, unauthorized apps if you are using, और somebody आपके कंप्यूटर में आपको लग रहा है कि आपके कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एप्स है. समटाइम्स ये होता है बेटा कि आप लोग क्या करते हो, आप लोग कोई एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल कर लेते हो, ठीक है, आपने चेक नहीं किया, लास्ट में विजार्ड में यूजुअली कुछ ऑप्शंस सेलेक्टेड होती हैं सम अदर सॉफ्टवेयर को ऐड करने के लिए, सम उसके सपोर्टिव सॉफ्टवेयर्स को ऐड इंस्टॉल करने के लिए, कुछ आके एक्सटेंशंस ऐड करने के लिए उसमें ऑलरेडी ऑप्शन सेलेक्टेड होती हैं, ठीक है, आपने सिर्फ नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक किया, दोस अदर सॉफ्टवेयर्स आर आल्सो इंस्टॉल्ड, गेट डाउनलोडेड होते हैं. विजार्ड में कंप्यूटर की बात कर रही हूँ, विजार्ड में जनरली ऑप्शंस होती हैं, ठीक है, you can use that, you can read the options of those wizard, uncheck the options which you do not want,
yes,
then install the softwares.
yes ma'am,
Okay.
yes ma'am.
Okay, now come to the topic of Photoshop. आपका टेस्ट है, फर्स्ट टेस्ट इज फॉर चैप्टर नंबर 1, 6 and 7, ठीक है, फोटोशॉप नेटवर्किंग एंड नेटवर्किंग. ओके, लेट्स चेक कि आपको कितना आता है नेटवर्क. Adobe Photoshop 1.0 was launched in, everyone pay attention here now. Yes. 1990. Photoshop 1.0. That was first version of Photoshop was launched in 1990. Online students, please raise your hands to give answers. The credit of invention of Photoshop goes to Thomas Knoll. The first version of Photoshop developed in 1987 was known as display program. Which bar display the name of the program? Which bar display the name of the program? Everybody. Title bar. What is the other name of context menu? Option bar. Option bar. What is the name of floating dialog boxes with different options to help the user to edit images? Palettes. Palettes नहीं, palettes. Spelling of palettes. P-A-L-E-T-T-E. Okay. What is the default extension of Adobe Photoshop file? .psd. Undo command is in which menu? Undo command is in which menu? Edit menu. Correct. Undo command is in which menu? Edit menu. Can you undo more than one action?
Yes.
By using which command? That is a shortcut key. Edit menu में option कौन सी है? Undo का edit menu में undo करोगे only one action undo होता है. Navesh.
Ma'am, backward option.
Step backward. Step backward. ठीक है. Shortcut key is Control plus Alt plus Z. Okay. Now shortcut key to make and merge selections. To make and merge selection. That means to add to the selection. Which key will you press?
Shift plus.
Only shift key. Only shift key and do the selection. Yes. Anand, next question for you. To subtract from selection. No. Yes, Lavish. To subtract from selection. These keys we had discussed many times in the class. Yes, Navya? No. I said to subtract from selection. मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि सारा deselect करना है. Alt की, Shift की प्रेस करके selection करते हैं तो selection add होती है. Alt की प्रेस करके selection करते हैं तो subtract होती है. To finish the cropping process. Crop करने के बाद last पे कौन सी की प्रेस करते हैं? Correct. Enter key. Which key will you press at the to finish the cropping process? Enter key. Learn all the shortcut keys. To undo more than one action.
Undo command.
Shortcut key. Alt plus Control plus Z. Sit down. Undo. Only undo. Control plus Z. Okay. To deselect the selection. Control plus D. Cut. Cut.
C.
Control plus X. Copy. C. Paste. To copy the selected image within the same image. No. Drag करते वक्त कौन सी की प्रेस करते हैं जिससे सेम कॉपी बनती है? Alt key. Correct. When you drag the selected area by pressing the Alt key, it will create a duplicate copy. Gradients or by paint bucket tool. Gradients or paint bucket tool. Which key is the shortcut? Yes, anyone online? G. G. Note down. Move tool. Crop. चेक करो पहले. चेक करो. क्रॉप के लिए C. मूव के लिए M. मैजिक वन. मूव टूल V. and magic wand W. Lasso tool L. Mark you M. Okay. Menu commands. To display the tools palette. To display the tools palette. If tools palette is not available, which menu will you use? It's given in book. Windows menu. Option. Tools option. Not tools palette. Windows menu. Tools option. Yes, last benches. Girls, मिला आपको? Windows menu. Tools option. To create a new file.
Control the cell.
I am asking about command, menu and option.
File menu, new option.
File menu, new option. To save a file. File menu, save option. To insert an image in workplace.
File menu, one option.
Place, insert an image.
Place.
File menu, place option. File menu, place option. प्लेस ऑप्शन से आपके वर्क स्पेस पे इमेजेस इंसर्ट नहीं होती,
फिर ओपन से जो
ओपन से तो सिर्फ ओपन होती है,
open होती है,
ओपन तो
same
वो
ही
बैकग्राउंड में एक इमेज ओपन हो जाती है, इंसर्ट करनी है मुझे।
ये कह रहे हैं यहाँ पर है कि प्लेस
ओके, टू ओपन एन इमेज, फाइल मेन्यू, ओपन ऑप्शन, टू डिस्प्ले लेयर्स पैनल, विंडोज मेन्यू, layers option, windows menu, layers option, to copy the selected part of an image, that is a shortcut key, कॉपी करना है, शॉर्टकट की नहीं पूछा, मेन्यू कौन सा यूज होएगा, कॉपी करने के लिए ऑप्शन कॉपी किस मेन्यू में होती है, एडिट मेन्यू, तो एडिट मेन्यू कॉपी ऑप्शन, टू पेस्ट द कॉपीड इमेज, edit menu, paste option, undo, edit menu, undo option, shortcut की पूछे तो शॉर्टकट की बतानी है, मेन्यू ऑप्शंस पूछिए वहां पे शॉर्टकट की दोगे तो आंसर गलत है, कोई बात नहीं। To select a part of image in rectangular, square, elliptical or circular shape,
मार्क्यू टूल
नहीं मार्किंग
marquee tool, which tool is used for selecting the rectangular, square or elliptical shape, marquee tool. To select the irregular shape, lasso tool. To select an area of picture having straight edges, straight edges, polygonal lasso tool. To select an area with complex edges, magnetic lasso tool. To automatically select the adjacent areas of the same color, magic wand tool. Using this selection expands outwards and automatically finds and follow the defined edges, quick selection tool. To remove the unwanted parts of an image, crop tool. To drag the selected part of an image to a new location, move tool, move tool. To fill an area with a range of colors, gradient. To fill an image or part of it with bucket tool. Okay, last question. Categorize these tools. Move tool. कौन सी कैटेगरी में, सिलेक्शन एंड क्रॉप टूल, एवरीबॉडी पे अटेंशन हियर, ब्रश टूल, रीटचिंग एंड पेंट टूल्स, ग्रेडियंट, रीटचिंग एंड पेंट टूल्स। लविश आपने पेपर कैसे देने बेटा, पढ़ के देने, पढ़ तो रही नहीं हो, नहीं पढ़ रहे हो। टेक्स्ट टूल, ड्राइंग एंड टाइप टूल, लास्ट बेंचेस, जूम टूल, एनोटेशन एंड मेजरमेंट, आई ड्रॉपर, आई ड्रॉपर, बुक दो, ओके, एनोटेशन एंड मेजरमेंट में है, क्रॉप टूल, सिलेक्शन एंड क्रॉप, मैजिक वंड, सिलेक्शन एंड क्रॉप, पेन, ड्राइंग एंड टाइप टूल्स, इरेजर, पेंटिंग एंड रीटचिंग एंड पेंट टूल्स में इरेजर, ब्लर, रीटचिंग, हैंड टूल, annotation and measurement, clone stamp, retouching, lasso tool, selection tool, custom shape, drawing and type tool. ठीक है, you have to learn the category of each and every tool, names of in all the tools. Here?